branch out of your comfort zone and make this beautiful large size tree art for your home. And the good news is you can get the tree from your yard, so it's very cost effective. So I went out to the tree line and grabbed this small tree here. I want to use it for some art in the house. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off, use my little shears here, and I'm going to cut off all of these smaller branches here to where I'm just left with the main branch of this tree. Use a wire brush to knock off some of that loose bark. Then spray with some flat white paint. Now I have the Quikrete here. It's just high strength concrete mix. And according to the directions, we're just gonna have to add 12 ounces of water to this mixture. And what I'm gonna do is put it in this trash can. So then when I sit the trees down into this trash can, it'll set up really hard, and then I'll be able to take the whole tree setup with it in this vase and then sit it down in the decor vase that I choose to use. I wanted to be able to move them in and out of different pots for different seasons, so we'll see how this works out. Now, according to the directions, you need to wear gloves, which I've got, and also a mask because that powder is going to be blowing everywhere. I'll get this mixed up and then we'll place the trees inside. So I moved out here to my front porch and I filled in some rock around after putting the Quikrete in, just to hold those stalks, you know, kind of straight up. I don't know if I've got enough Quikrete in there or not. I might have to get another bag and maybe use half of it and fill this all the way up to the top. I'm not exactly sure how much I'm gonna need to keep these trees sturdy. But anyway, here we go for now. I've got them in there. It's pretty tall. So I don't know. We'll see how long it takes it to set up and if maybe I need to add another one. Here it is in my living room. I still have to decide what I want to put around the base there, but it's going to be probably some pebbles. And here it is for Halloween. And then there it is on my front porch for Christmas. So I just love this. Maybe you guys will find inspiration and want to make your own. It's super cheap and I think it makes a big impact. Please become a charmer by clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you join the party.